Today, I want to talk to you not just about solar panels, but about a change. A change that begins from your own roof. Every morning, the sun rises for free, but every month, our electricity bill rises like a shock. So I asked myself, why pay for something the sun is ready to give us free every day? At Siddharaj Green Energy, we recently installed a 5 kilowatt solar power system. 5 kilowatt means lights on, fans on, AC running, and yet the meter hardly moves. Imagine your home, your shop, or your factory running on clean solar power, silently, reliably, and without fear of rising electricity rates. Solar is not only technology, it's freedom. Freedom from high bills, freedom from power cuts, freedom from the stress of unpredictable costs. We have seen people switch to solar and say, "Why didn't I do this earlier?" Because the truth is simple. Solar is the only investment where the sun becomes your partner. In the next 10 years, those who invest in solar will save lakhs. But more than saving money, you save the environment. One 5 kilowatt system is like planting nearly 200 trees every year. So when you choose solar, you are choosing a greener planet for your children. And to everyone watching, I want to tell you something from the heart. Do not wait. Do not overthink. Solar is no longer the future. It is today. We at Siddharaj Green Energy P Ltd are committed to giving you the best quality solar solutions, hybrid systems, on-grid systems, lithium battery systems, and long-term service support. If the sun shines on your roof, your home should shine with it too. Let's light up a cleaner, smarter India, one rooftop at a time.